there? We'll go.
Oh yeah, 2 more roads. Keep it there. Warn me. Say go next time, Bob.
Sorry.
Well, thank you guys.
Sure. You guys have a good night.
You too.